Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're going to be talking about Shiba Shootout very shortly. This is a project that I'm very bullish on. They have raised just $1 million or so, but we're talking about Dogecoin price action right now, okay? So we're looking at Dogecoin here, and Dogecoin is currently priced around 9 cents a coin, and we're going to be looking at some very important TA and some very important breakout scenarios here for this asset, for a sort of a price prediction of what we could be looking for here for the next sort of a couple of weeks, couple of months, and the profit that could be made here if we strategize in the correct direction. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video, guys. If you could drop a like on it, that would be great. If you're going to find some value here, that'd be really cool. And if you are new to the channel, we're uploading every single goddamn day here. 4 uploads a day we're doing on this channel. So yeah, make sure you drop a little subscribe, notification bell on, and you're never going to miss our early alpha entries to the new projects that we get involved with here over on Crypto News. Now you can see Dogecoin currently priced at 9 cents. MC of around $14.5 billion. So pretty bullish. Obviously we know Dogecoin is the alpha. It is the big daddy. It is the big daddy Mac of the meme coins. And you can see it's kind of been flatlining a bit most recently here in this sideways sort of price action. But we have got price predictions ready and waiting here for Dogecoin to see how high this can essentially be going. Any sort of Dogecoin news that we can be reviewing, nothing too crazy. It's more just people promoting other meme coins there. But you can see in the last day here, we're up 2.1%. So it is looking a bit bullish, but the volume, unfortunately, is down a hell of a lot. The reason is, I think WIF took a lot of this volume, right? WIF's volume is grown exponentially in the last sort of day or so. They're up around 40% in the last 24 hours, which is super interesting to see that happen. Now, jumping over to the Doge chart, because this is where we need to be looking and keeping our wits about us, and keeping basically ready to essentially perform really well here if we can get our TA correct. Okay, so the TA that I want to run through just quickly here is super important. It is a falling parallel channel, and it is on the daily chart, guys. Okay, this is the macro, and usually what happens when we see a falling parallel channel like this, usually we see a little bit of a breakout scenario. Okay, so the things that have caught my eye and the things that we're sort of relying on for different confluences right now, it is going to be technically a bear flag, technically a bull flag, guys. And a bull flag tend to usually mean a breakout to the upside. Okay, so what we're looking for here is a break to the upside. This is going to be the break area that we can be referring to, around 11 cents. And this is also a super interesting area as well, because if you look, 0.236 is just here. That's the Fibonacci retracement point. Okay, so if we zoom out here, right here on the macro on the weekly, we've got the Doge low, and also up to the all-time high of Doge, and the Fibonacci retracement is actually the 0.236 here, and that is obviously a very reactive area. If we can get above that, there's usually quite a nice bit of a juicy support here that throws us to the upside. Okay, so when we can get above that, and that in terms of a price is around 11 cents, if we can get above that with the breakout of this bull flag and the momentum to the upside here for this breakout scenario, then it's very likely that we can make a load of money, a truck full of cash, right? That's the goal here. So this is going to be the measure move that we're going to be using here, just top to bottom. This is going to be the breakout scenario once we get over that Fibonacci, and this will essentially be worth 49%. Don't want to toot my own trumpet here, but that is a lot of goddamn money. Okay, that is really good there, and super bullish if we can achieve that. Now, let's be serious. Let's be realistic here. These measure moves, they're a good way to get a bias of a direction and sort of trade the breakouts. But let's just not be idiots here, guys. These only play out 1 in 3 times to the max, right? All the way to TP, which would be around 16 cents there. They only play out 1 in 3 times, okay? So we can't be naive. We need to be staggering those take profits. We need to basically be banking on this not coming to 49%. That's absolutely fine with me. I'll go for something smaller. I'll go for something along the lines of, say, up to the next level here, which is even 8%, okay? level that I'm referring to, guys, is if you just look here, this lovely horizontal, you've got massive support, a little bit of consolidation there, support again, support again. So we're going to use that as simply a take profit. We can take 50% of our equity out at 8.44% and bank a very solid 4.22% on our initial equity that we have risked, and then stop loss to entry, risk-free position, let it run. Okay, that's sort of the plan here for this Doge position. Overall, it's looking really, really strong. That's obviously the breakout scenario. Now, the DCA, the money, the spot trading with Doge right now, this would be the buying area. Okay, and the reasoning for this is, guys, this is where the 4-hour volume weighted average true range band is. The 1 day the 1 day and the 12-hour volume weighted average true range bands as well, and these are very, very reactive. If we look back in previous history, you can see very, very strong reactions here, just genuinely off these bands in general. Okay, especially when they group together, guys, and they're very, very reactive. Okay, something along the lines of this comes down, very reactive, bangs it quite aggressively. So these are very strong DCA signals and areas here for spot trading. Not so much futures, because it still does fluctuate, but if you're doing very wide futures trades, then yes, it would work, but you don't want to be putting close liquidations or anything like that, because they're accurate, but they're more accurate for a DCA sort of strategy here. Now, the fact that these are coming to a sort of a horizontal stance now, which is, a couple of them actually turning progressionary, which is bullish. Okay, we've got the 12-hour and the 4-hour being progressionary, but we haven't quite seen it on the daily. So when we do see this price action come down, if it does come down, this is the buy zone. The buy zone that I'm referring to is going to be between 8 cents 6 and 7 cents 4. Super, super bullish area. Definitely not one to miss there. Okay, so that'd be the buy area for Doge. Let's move on to Shiba Shootout. This is a project that has just raised $1 million. Pretty cool. It's raised $1 million, and it's essentially a play-to-earn Wild West themed game. If you guys want to go jump to the link in the description, you can go check this out. I'm not going to bore you too much with it, but it's going to be a play-to-earn Shiba Shootout, Shiba Sharpshooter game, available on the App Store and also on Google Play. Pretty cool. It's kind of a Wild West Shiba Inu themed token, which is quite cool, and it's quite likely going to see some really, really strong stuff and rewards coming through from that point. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Drop a little like in the comment section, and also your opinions in the comment section. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.